Darren Chen is a Taiwanese actor. He is best known for his leading role as Huaze Lei in the 2018 television series Meteor Garden, which propelled him to fame in Asia. Darren Chen was born on January 15, 1995 in Taiwan. He graduated from the Taipei Municipal Heping High School. He starred as Lin Yutang in the drama series Proud of Love and Proud of Love 2. He is one of the successful TV actor. In 2019, Chen was cast in his first leading role in the historical mystery drama The Sleuth of the Ming Dynasty, produced by Jackie Chan. The series premiered on iQIYI in April 2020. The same year, he starred in the youth sports drama My Unicorn Girl. In 2017, Chen was cast in the role of Huaze Lei by Angie Chai in the 2018 adaptation of Meteor Garden, based on the Japanese Hozo manga series Boys Over Flowers. He appeared in Harper's Bazaar, China with his Meteor Garden co-stars Dylan Wang, Connor Leung and Caesar Wu in the November issue. The series was broadcast in 2018 and Chen rose to fame. The same year was confirmed to make his big screen debut with a guest appearance in the romance comedy film Oversized Love. He is a fan of tennis star Novak Djokovic. He appeared alongside actor Dylan Wang in Harper's Bazaar, China in November 2017.